A while ago, I made a video showing how to use calcium supplements into grinding them up and putting them into your garden to replace calcium problems, often shown up as blossom end rot, where the bottom of your tomato actually rots away. Another way that can be done is using eggshells. One of the ways that most people will do is by soaking it in vinegar or something, and that's to leach out the calcium in here. The idea is we want to create as much surface areas that we possibly can. So another way that we can do it, like we did with the supplements, is using a coffee grinder. So we'll go ahead and put my handy dandy coffee grinder right here. And I'm going to just put in a couple at a time so that it has the teeth have a chance to really get it going here. Okay, you can see that it's mostly chopped it up a bit. And we'll do it again. Okay. Now, the amount is fine enough. The amount is fine enough that we'll go ahead and put it in the garden at this point, and I'll show you how we do that. I have a chronic problem of not enough calcium in my plants, usually tomatoes right here, and there's been peppers and such. And so in this off season right now, which I actually have a little survivor right here, is I'm going to go ahead and add that calcium in there and gives it some time to work itself into the soil with the microbiome and such. You can see I already put some right in here, so I'll just go ahead and put this on here. There we go. And I'll just let nature do the rest. I don't eat eggs, so these were donated by a friend of mine, and I'm sure that you can fall into that same category if you don't eat eggs, and at least we're putting them back into nature. Please remember to subscribe and share this video to help disabled animals with donated wheelchairs.